friends. In a lockdown, we are so much surprised to what we have to make. We are so much bored, eat to chapatis. We are so much bored. Then I have one recipe to make. So come. So then we want 2 Oreos packet and 1 Hershey's. If you have strawberry Hershey's, so take strawberry. I have chocolate and strawberry both. So first we have one plate and open this. It is open. Then open this piece. Take out the chocolate. So we have knife and take out very carefully. And put it over here. Like this we have 5. So I am stop. So then we take out the all slices of a chocolate. Then we want Hershey's. So now I have take out the all Hershey's and put it on over bowl. So I am taking a Oreo and I am pasting over first page like this and paste this slice which we cut like this, paste it and put another one slice and like this too and take out another one. Like this it's and put it over like here. This and put to each other and that is a cake. It is so much yummy. Thank you.